On the very first day I arrived to Epic, I remember just being amazed by just the building itself. I've never seen a building in even downtown Denver or in Littleton that was built like this.
We were very keen to see how this could transform from a former car dealership into a really modern, state-of-the-art learning experience. One of the main drivers was to see how could we reduce the amount of paving on the campus and have more green space and natural areas for the students to use and engage with.
The plaza really is a hands-on learningscape, and it does this by showing in action what happens with stormwater, what happens with plants over time. This is an evolving landscape, and it's really a laboratory for the students to watch and to study.
Cunningham engaged the community on this project. That consisted of staff members from the district, teachers, students, community members, as well as potential industry partners for the school. It truly shaped the design results for the project.
There was ample opportunity for people to have their voice heard, to express their opinion, to give their ideas about what they wanted this to be. We really wanted this to be a community focus as much as a focus of the school district. I think what you see now is the rewards for all those efforts. LPS has a goal 100% of LPS students will graduate prepared for meaningful post-secondary opportunities. Industry has been instrumental in helping us set up all of our pathways. That continued communication with industry is the way we keep it relevant, we keep it meaningful, we keep it up to date, and that's the way we make sure kids are ready when they graduate high school.
What I'm most excited about for the Littleton Public Schools Epic Campus is to see what the students make there on campus, what they envision, what they design, and how they really truly bring the campus to life in the coming years.